Hi, my lovely Capricorns. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Capricorns, today we are going to do yet another reading and the last one for this year for your sign for the month of December 2022. Like always, this is going to be a general reading, guys, so please take what resonates and leave the rest. Do not try to fit in if it's not matching with you within just first 5 minutes, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So guys, while pre-shuffling for you, I was getting a lot of intense energies. First and foremost, I would like to point out that I saw two of cups a lot of times. So probably some of you guys are in a twin flame kind of a relationship, which is the toughest relationship to deal with. If you are one and going through some insane kind of situations, energies, my heart goes out to you. We can connect offline if you want to know more about twin flames, okay? So anyway, I saw someone going through a lot of heartbreak, and you are, someone is kind of moving in circles, okay, in circles, utterly and totally stuck in the situation. I feel that it's more of you, like that there is no hope, that this is not going anywhere, but you are refusing to accept the situation and move on, okay? That's the kind of energy I was getting. So guys, the message that was coming through very strongly was, it's high time you start taking care of yourself emotionally and physically as well, okay? You should take care of your mental and physical well-being. You should focus more on healing yourself physically and mentally, okay? This whatever this situation is, it might have taken a toll on your health, or otherwise also, if you are not keeping well, make sure that you are making that your top priority, rather than focusing your energy on something which is not yielding anything, okay? So these were by and large the messages that I was getting. You are feeling extremely stuck. For some of you guys, you are stuck in the situation probably because of your financial condition, okay? That is making it difficult for you to arrive at a certain decision or take certain decisions, okay? That could also be the case for some of you guys. So yeah, with that, let's get started and see what we have for you guys in your main reading. See, at the bottom of the deck is two of cups. I was talking about this card only, okay? This is a twin flame energy, guys. You guys might have met your twin, and you guys might have drifted apart or separated, or overall it's a really tough it's a tough energy to deal with, okay? And some of you guys have decided to walk away from it, okay, or are contemplating walking away from it. 2 number is playing very significant role. 2 6 and 2 6 and yes, these 2 numbers are playing very significant role. 2 6 3, okay? For some of you guys, you might have a new opportunity in terms of love and or career, okay? That's your overall energy. So yes, let's begin with your main reading. Let me just quickly see the cards. So yes, in your immediate past, I see there is King of Wands and there is Fool, okay? Now there are 2 things that I'm getting from this. Some of you guys might have started something from ground zero. Maybe you have started a new a new career, a new business could be a possibility. Okay, something that is you are utilizing your skills. Okay, you are utilizing your experiences, your past experiences, and you are channeling it to into this business. Okay, you are using the bag of your experiences, the box of your experiences collected so far, and utilizing it into this new business. Now this business could be kind of a transferable skill. Okay, like for example, you might have, if you are a developer, you might have started taking freelancing projects. Okay, so all your technical knowledge, all your business knowledge that you have gained so far through your jobs, you might be utilizing it in getting projects. Okay, so that could be one case. Definitely I see that some of you guys are pursuing their passion. Okay, you are taking the leap of faith, you are kind of breaking free and starting from ground zero. Okay, that is the risk that you are taking. Some of you guys might have even quit your job and have invested your time and energy into this job, in this new business is what I'm getting. Okay, you are highly passionate about whatever it is that you have taken up. That's what I'm getting very, very strongly. Okay, lot of fire energy coming through Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If at all you have any of the signs in your birth chart, do check out those placements as well. Okay, for some of you guys, I feel that now there could be, this could be either you, or you could be dealing with someone who is holding this energy of a little of someone who is a little flirtatious. Okay, someone who is very, very carefree, very, very passionate overall about life. Okay, who doesn't shy away from anything. Okay, and this energy could be a little flirtatious. Okay, a little for some of you guys, this energy could come across a little immature as well. Okay, not foolish as a fool, but a little immature. Okay, someone who doesn't care about age or doesn't care about where he or she is, they just do what their heart says. Okay, that kind of energy I'm getting. Now this could be either you or someone you are dealing with. Okay, that's what I'm getting in your recent past. Okay. Coming to your current energies, some of you guys might be working on some crucial project. Okay, you guys, you might be leading this project. It could be a team of 3 people, 3 or 6, or just 2 of you could be the case, but 3 is coming strongly in this case. Not necessary, but that could be the case. Okay, and it could be you who are driving this project. It could be you who is leading this project is what I am seeing. Okay, working very, very hard towards something. Okay, for some of you guys, there could be a situation wherein you have set some personal goal for yourself. Okay, and you are kind of preparing or prepping up your for that for achieving that goal. You are probably interviewing candidates. You are building a team with different skill sets that can through whom you can get the job done. Okay, basically you are in full control. Okay, Aries energy coming through very strongly. You are kind of being the task master over here is what I'm getting. Some of you guys might have some personal goals also, like for example, these days many people participate in marathons. Okay, so you guys might be practicing for that. Okay, waking up early, having a strict disciplined, leading a strict disciplined life and routine. Okay, that could also be the case is what I'm saying. Basically very, very well organized, in control of your own energy and controlling others as well is what I'm seeing over here. A little dominating energy is what I'm sensing in your recent in your current energy, guys. For some of you guys, moving to your immediate future, I feel that you or someone is missing each other, and you guys might travel to see each other. Okay, travel is definitely in cards for you guys. Okay, you are either traveling across states, if not country, okay, but I see overseas travel as well, okay. Some of you guys might also be traveling for work purposes, okay, but I feel that this is more of personal level travel, okay. Either you or someone is going to see each other is what I'm getting, okay. And there is major missing happening over here. You guys might be seeing each other after a long time is what I'm getting, guys. Lot of communication happening or is expected in your immediate future, guys. For some of you guys, this communication could be work related, okay. It could be lot of exchange of mails, lot of exchange of messages, phone calls, okay. But yes, I am seeing lot of communication happening in your immediate future. Maybe for those who have started business, you guys also go or travel for business purposes, okay. That could also be the case. Your overall energy is very interesting, guys. There is Six of Pentacles, which talks about give and take of money. Again I'm getting two situations over here. One is, if at all you have started a new business or you are starting a new business, you might have borrowed money, or you might have taken funding from VCs, or you might have taken loan, okay. But yes, I see lot of money or currency being exchanged, okay. For some of you guys who have given money or lent money to someone, you might expect that money to come back to you, okay. They might come and return your money, okay. I also feel that there is a necessity of bringing balance into the situation, okay. So if at all you are going overboard about something, make sure that you are tamed down a little, or if you are kind of underselling yourself, make sure that you are achieving a healthy balance in that aspect also, okay. But definitely balance is required is what I'm getting over here, okay. Because there is full energy in a full card in your card, make sure that you are not tripping or crossing the line in any manner, okay, in any manner, either up or down, whatever it is. But yes, a balance is definitely needed. Some of you guys are definitely waiting for their ships to sail in, as in you are waiting for the right time, you are waiting for the right opportunity, okay. You guys definitely might be planning a travel, okay. Travel is on card because I saw Two of Wands as well in your overall energy somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, here it is. Yes, so definitely you are waiting to travel. Maybe you are waiting for your visa to come through, or you are waiting for the right time wherein the flight tickets might be come at a reasonable price, okay. Something, for some reasons you are waiting, but you are going to travel for sure is what I am getting, okay. Strong fire energy coming through this reading, guys. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, if at all you have those in your birth chart. There is Hanged Man and there is Six of Swords as well. So guys, I feel that some of you guys might have taken a 360-degree stock of the situation. If not, if you have not done that already, it is needed that you do so, and arrive at a decision and take that action, okay. Do the needful, keep on moving forward. You guys, like I said, while pre-shuffling also I was getting this energy that someone is remaining stuck in some situation. If that's you, then it's high time you break the cord, you break the cycle, and set yourself free and move forward in your life, okay. Move, you can call it whatever, move away from the situation or move forward in your life. Put it either ways. I'm sure I've conveyed the message. It's time to let go and just embrace the new energies and keep on moving forward, okay. That's the kind of message that is coming through very strongly, guys. Yes, if at all you are not being able to decide something, take a break, okay. Take a break, take a step back, pause, sleep a lot, take a vacation, shut down from this topic totally, cut yourself off this topic energetically for a few days, and see how magically or miraculously the answers come to you, okay. You'll definitely get the answers, and you'll end up taking the right step, okay. That's my personal experience. When I am feeling too overwhelmed by something, if I am not able to arrive at certain decision, I just give that subject a break and somehow after few days clarity comes through, my mind is more calmer, and I arrive at the best possible decision or solution at that moment of time that I can think of. Okay, so that is what is advisable to you too. I have Capricorn in my birth chart, by the way. I have strong Capricorn in my birth chart, and I can so understand this. So yes, anyway, time to move on, guys. Time to move on. Let's quickly see what other messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Conclusions are within reach. Yes, yes. Conclusions are within reach, guys. Like I said, while pre-shuffling, I had seen 3 of Swords and I had seen 10 of Swords as well. You guys are like, very much there. Like, it's just a matter of you accepting something and taking some decisions, okay? You have the key to that lock or to that door, okay? And it's up to you to set yourself free. So once you decide that, once you arrive at that decision, you'll see how close you were at getting yourself free or setting yourself free. That is the message that is the vibe I'm getting, guys. At the bottom of the deck is be bold and make the first move. Yes, like I said, you hold the keys all along, and it's up to you whether to remain stuck in this situation or to move ahead. Okay, let's quickly pull some additional messages from this beautiful deck. Look for a sign was coming through while shuffling as well. Okay, and whatever it is that you're waiting for, guys, you'll get that, or that will come to you within next few weeks. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck is compromise. Like I said, you look at this card. She is again holding a weighing scale. Okay, and again I'm feeling that there is a necessity for bringing balance into the situation somehow. I sense the imbalance in this situation. Okay, and if you are agreeing to this, if you are listening to this, you know where to bring balance or how to bring balance, and please do so. Okay, please do so. Maybe that will solve your problems. Okay, so yes, this is look for a sign is telling that if you come across certain synchronicities, if you are having certain repeated dreams, okay, repeated patterns, see or pay attention to them. That is the way the spirit guides or the universe or God, whoever you believe in, they communicate with us. Okay, any song randomly, if you are thinking about any song and it starts playing on the radio, it's a sign. Okay, so look for such signs and take the cues along. Okay, all along. Okay, this is how the universe is guiding us all through. Okay, so that is the message for you guys. Okay, so Capricorns, I'll leave it at that. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Rather next year directly now. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.